Mom, I want to see you.
Yeah, look, there's Caleb. And there's Big Gracie.
No.
Hi.
Mom, I want to see them. Mom, I want to see them. Mom, I want to see them. I want to see them.
Okay.
I want to see them. Mom.
It's Big Grace, look. There's Big Gracie. Is Daddy mowing? Say hi, Dada. There's Caleb. There's Caleb. There he is, and there's Big Grace. But I think I was kind of crooked.
And the log in a dime.
Grace, you gonna show us how you can walk? Look! Be careful, Caleb. You wanna
Mommy,
get?
I can't see. Mom, I can't see.
Okay.
Mom, I can't.
You're in her way. Oh, there Gracie goes. She walking. Oh, you got the end of the grass. Whoops. Whoops. Ooh. Can you get up there?
You're gonna win.
You're gonna win. Can you get up there? Whoa, look at Caleb on his scooter. He's a big guy. Look at him go.
Mom, we're winning.
You're winning. Be careful. There's Caleb.
We're going.
Look at him go. He's going fast.
Mom, there's a stop sign.
Oh, the stop sign?
Yeah.
Okay, is it green?
No, it's red. Now it's green. Now we can go.
Come on. Are you done walking?